I'm doing the cutting for the peppers here. I'm going to do another half. I've used a half of each pepper, a half of the green and a half of the red. Cutting away here. Okay. And I'm going to place it aside. I'm going to now go to my onion. Put the sides of the back of it. I like to take off the top part, of course. Peel it off. You don't want any of that on there. Okay. And we're going to cut this like this. Okay. What I'm going to do afterwards with the slices, I'm going to cut them in halves. Okay, so I'm going to do something like this. Okay. Cutting it in half.